automate tasks now. You know anak, dati halos buong araw kong nauubos sa mga paulit-ulit na tasks. And at the end of the day, sobrang drained ako. Pero it felt like wala akong nagawang malaking impact sa negosyo namin. And I thought automation was only for big businesses. Pero mali pala ako. I tried to use simple tools para hindi na ako paulit-ulit na nagli-remind. Ang laki-laki ng nabago. Ang daming oras kong nagamit para sa pag-iisip ng mga bagong strategies for my business. Kapag nasanay na tayo sa routine, sometimes we don't notice how much time is being wasted to do the repetitive tasks, hindi ba? So think about it, no? If every hour you spend is used for more important tasks, wouldn't you be able to do more for your business? At first, medyo nakakapanibago. Pero habang natututo ako, na-realize ko na you don't need to be a tech expert para mag-automate. Halimbawa, gamit ang simpleng tools tulad ng schedulers. Pwede mo namang i-automate ang mga social media posts mo at para hindi mo na kailangan silang i-upload araw-araw. Start by identifying kung ano yung mga repetitive tasks sa negosyo mo, and from there, you can make small changes that lead to big improvements. Small steps lang pero tuloy-tuloy. Use your time for more important things and let technology do the heavy lifting. Remember, be business-minded, Pinoy.